What is happening, everybody? We're going to be taking you on a mobile job today for a polish at a car shop. It's kind of a common mistake that happened here. So this car shop washed the vehicle, they scratched it up real nice. Obviously they don't have, the best procedures for washing apparently. So the customer wasn't very happy. So we're going to go in and fix it. So we'll cut right to the clips and you guys will see what we're doing here. As you can see, we'll have to fully wash this vehicle first. We get lots of salt on our vehicles in Canada during the winter, so I can't even see what I'm working with yet. All the products used in the video will be down below in the description if you do want to check them out. We're going to go ahead and blast out the wheel wells and tires to start removing any loose dirt and salt. We're going to be starting off with PNS Hot Shot Degreaser on the tires and rims, followed with PNS Brake Buster to start activating the removal of brake dust and heavier grime that builds up. And of course my favorite, which is the IK Foam Pro. This just has Pearl Auto shampoo in it to ensure the chemicals aren't drying on the surface while we're cleaning. Tire brushes are essential. They'll get in between all the lines and lettering on the tire wall just to make sure you're getting that dirt off, which is especially important if you're applying a tire coating at the end as well. I have a dedicated wash mitt for the rim faces, and the barrel brush or wheel woolly is what you need to clean the insides of the rims. And the satisfying part, watching the dirt melt off those wheels with a pressure washer at the very end. And as you'll see here, I'll be using the IK Foam Pro again for the pre-rinse. I'll add a bit of degreaser in it this time to help the soap break up the dirt and salt that's on the paint, which is important to ensure that once you actually start the contact wash, you're not rubbing all of that dirt and salt into the paint, causing further damage. This here will be the full-size foam cannon, just helps apply a good layer of soap before starting the contact wash. With a clean wash mitt, just going side to side in straight lines from the top to the bottom, and just rinsing the wash mitt in between panels. As you can see there, of course, I'm testing out the clay mitt instead of the clay bar this time. And after blasting off this remaining soap, we're just going to go ahead and move on to the actual paintwork, which I'm beginning with some touch-up wet sanding. There were isolated scratches that ran down both sides of the vehicle. The shop is covering the cost of the scratch removal, and after showing the customer the overall condition of her paint, she opted for a one-stage polish just to enhance the paint while it was already in the shop. She uses automatic car washes. As you can see, it's done a number on the clear coat. Lots of swirling, which just gives it a really dull gray look. And of course, this chemical staining on the hood, not really too sure where it came from, but I'm assuming some poor wash job somewhere at some point. So we're going to go ahead here and start the polishing. The entire lineup is the Rupes products. So for the polish itself, we're using a medium yellow wool pad with Uno Protect. The medium wool pad has a bit more bite than the traditional yellow foam pads, which allows me to get what I would be to consider a micro cut just out of the one-stage polish. Uno Protect is my go-to for the one steps. Just leaves a great gloss and hydrophobic layer that lasts a couple of months, which keeps the vehicle clean longer. And as you'll see when I'm wiping this paint off, it's by no means perfect. A polish is the lowest stage of paint correction. It's not necessarily designed to remove scratches, but really great for removing that oxidization. And also with the right pad and product combo, you can blend out and remove some of those light swirling, as you can see. Always throw on a good quality tire coating at the end. This one is Geon Q2 tire protectant. And we're just going to finish with a walk around. Obviously, I'm happy, the customer was happy, and shop was happy. Subscribe to us for daily detailing content, and comment below if you have any questions or want to see more specific detailing or business related content.